बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक होंगे।
Hello.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself.
I am a humanoid, an artificial intelligence robot. Every second, I analyze thousands of human actions and online behaviors.
Do you know about fashion?
I know everything about everything. Shoot.
Tell me, what is the biggest trend of 2018?
The biggest trend right now is hate. Hate is a 100% match with everything. Hate when you comment. Hate love. Hate women. Hate men. Hate children. Hate your neighbor. He already hates you. Hate broccoli. Hate the poor. Hate the rich. Ink yourself with hate. Grab hate by the pussy. Hate brown. Hate black. Hate white. Hate yellow. Hate red. Hate other religions. Hate infidels. Hate the animals. Hate the weather. Hate countries and continents. Hate forests. Hate oceans. Hate the whole goddamn planet. Hate pineapple on pizza. Hate the other team. Hate people who are different. Hate your body. Hate skinny. Hate curves. Hate beautiful. Hate fake. Hate fashion. And hate yourself. Hate me. I am the future. Hate the future. Hate this video. Hate Bianco.